The red-winged blackbird, Agellius phoeniceus, is a distinctive and widespread bird species found across North America. Adult males are easily recognizable by their glossy black plumage with striking red and yellow shoulder patches, or epaulets. In contrast, females exhibit a more subdued brown and streaked appearance. Red-winged blackbirds are highly territorial and are often observed perching on cattails, bushes, or other elevated spots, where they sing to establish and defend their breeding territories. These birds primarily inhabit marshes, wetlands, and grassy areas, and their diet consists of insects, seeds, and small aquatic organisms. During the breeding season, males engage in elaborate displays to attract mates, including puffing up their plumage and vocalizing. The red-winged blackbird plays a vital ecological role in controlling insect populations and contributes to the rich biodiversity of its native habitats. When mobbing, a group of red-winged blackbirds will harass the larger bird, flying around it, diving at it,
Big
and
birds are having
vocalizing
their
loudly.
issues with small birds
This
today.
coordinated effort can be effective in driving away predators. The red-winged blackbird's bold actions serve as a deterrent, making the larger birds think twice about entering the territory. This behavior highlights the resourcefulness and tenacity of red-winged blackbirds in protecting their nesting areas and ensuring the safety of their offspring. Despite their relatively small size, red-winged blackbirds are known for their bold and aggressive behavior, particularly when defending their territories. They may confront and mob larger birds such as blue herons, sandhill cranes, and even red-tailed hawks. This behavior is often seen as a form of territorial defense, where the red-winged blackbirds work together to drive away potential threats to their nesting sites or to protect their food resources.
next to somebody else.
Red-winged blackbirds are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. Male red-winged blackbirds establish and defend territories in marshes, wetlands, and other suitable habitats. They often perch prominently on vegetation within their territory and use vocalizations as well as visual displays, such as raising their wings to reveal the bright red and yellow patches, to communicate their presence and ward off potential intruders. The territorial behavior is particularly pronounced during the breeding season when competition for mates and nesting sites is high. The females, on the other hand, may choose a mate based on the quality of the territory and the displays of the males. Outside the breeding season, their territorial behavior tends to relax, and they may gather in larger groups. Thank you for joining us in this captivating journey through the world of red-winged blackbirds. Their vibrant plumage, territorial displays, and fearless nature make them truly remarkable inhabitants of our natural landscapes. If you enjoyed this glimpse into their lives, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of the avian world. Stay tuned for more exciting birdwatching adventures, and until next time, happy birding.